Hey there, Wolf Pups. It's Junie. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. I am a Therian content creator and I make educational videos as well as craft videos on the side. If that is something that interests you, please do stick around. Now, before we get into today's video, would you please give the like button a cute little Douglas toy by liking the video? That would be great. Alright, so for today, my content is going to be a little bit different because we're unboxing something very new and it's a whole bunch of jewelry. It's not tails or masks this time. It's a big old box of jewelry. But I did actually pre-open the box. Yay me. So that way, you know, we can get into this. Oh my goodness, keep hitting the mask. Get into this a lot faster. Oh, it's a cute little card. Well, here's the shop. They're on Etsy. And then if you want to check them out, go ahead and do so. And another card. Alright, now, also, I got freebies with my freebies. Feels like that anyway. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that. Look at that sticker. I'm never gonna use these because they wouldn't last as long if I did. Ooh, I like that one too. Oh, alright. So, I got two different boxes, but I don't know which is which. I what did I get? I got the curiosity cabinet one, and the other one, the enchanted forest. That's right. That that's making a lot. It's coming to me now. But yeah, I'm just gonna start pulling random stuff out. Um, because it's kind of just everywhere, and it could be anything. Like this ring that will not fit my finger. You know, it would be a cool pendant piece. Oh, my bag just flew away. It'd be a cool pendant piece, though. We got some. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be. Oh, yeah, it's a raven. You can tell. Oh, yeah, they're all ravens. There is a difference to tell a raven between a crow. Uh, Mostly it's the beak. Ravens have very thick bills, and crows do not. But look at that. Ah, lovely stickers. More stickers. I love stickers. Ooh, got like a journal in here. It's not what I'm pulling out, but just seeing ahead, I guess. Ooh, there's a lot of fun things in this bag. Like this bracelet. This would definitely not fit me. I would have to like take some beads off of that to make it fit me, which is okay. That's fine. Ooh, that's pretty. I'd definitely wear that. That's really pretty. I just have to find an outfit for it. So I don't think I have anything that would go with that at the moment. Well, this one's interesting. Personally, I wouldn't wear it. I'm not really a skull girly, but I have somebody who might. Oh wow. This is interesting. Personally, I would not wear that. I mean, even though it is gray, I might do something else with this, honestly. Might turn it into a fancy smancy belt. That's perfectly fine. Oh, this is cute. I can go with that necklace. It's a little owl. Now, this would fit me. It's a lot smaller of a bracelet. And what's this? Oh, another bracelet. Just a simple, with like a chain linked type of deal here. I like that. Okay, that was that for that one. For that one, indeed. Oh, it it comes. Hold on. Comes with a necklace. A little leaf one. That's kind of cool, actually. Or like a yeah. Ooh, yeah. We are a fancy, very fancy journal here. I can only imagine what this thing actually costs. Journals are so expensive, especially the leather type. Ugh. I would go to the store and look at them, and I never buy one. Ooh, it's a scorpion. I'm pretty sure they glow in the dark. And this one might be a wasp of some type. It's hard to tell, but those are cool. I definitely wear those. I just have to be super careful of not letting them near the heat. I did that with one. It was on my bag and my sister got it for me. It was a beetle and it was near the heat and it ruined it. Whoops. I didn't know the bag was facing near the heater. It's okay though. Ooh, this is really interesting and pretty. I have no idea if I have anything that would go with that. I'd try to find something though. And I apologize for the baby in the background. And I think he's trying to get out of his blanket. Ooh, wait, this fancy smancy. Now the ring wouldn't fit me. All right, so this is a ring and pin. It's very pretty, like both of them are, but I wouldn't keep either one of them because rings usually don't fit my finger. And I'm not a really blingy type of person, but I will find somebody who would like that. Give it to him as a gift. It's already in a box and everything. Oh, rocks. Oh, pretty. Oh, wait a minute. We also got keys. There's that one here too. I'd find something to put that on. Wear those. And the rocks, I'd just find somewhere to put them. Somewhere. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a jar of beaded rocks. That's pretty cool. I like this little jar bottle. Where the heck this thing is? Um, yeah, every single rock in here, or yeah, it's all beads. Cool. I definitely have a few ideas for those. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got some runaway keys. I think that one bag must have been open or something. It's a heart one. The rock one. Those are probably where that went into. Uh-oh. My goodness. Things are just falling everywhere. We got more rocks. Got a little guy there. And we got this huge, humongous, like real dark purple. It's so pretty. Purple one. Yeah, you too. Ooh. Now we're speaking my language. Oh, that's pretty. This must be the enchanted one. The enchanted forest one. I guess the other ones were the curiosity one. Ooh, that's real pretty. I don't know if I have anything that's that dark of a green, but I'm sure I can find something. Cute little butterfly. You're all right in there. Find something to do at the moment, please. Ooh, that's really pretty. I definitely wear that. Currently don't have anything to go with it, but once I do, I think this. Oh yeah, this is kind of just floating around in there. It moved. Ah, that's okay. I can fix that later. Oh, oh, that's pretty. Oh, it's stretchy too. All right. Here's a little cute little flower. Go with that necklace pretty well. Got a few more things in here. Get this one. Simple. Can go with that necklace and bracelet. Just a plain Jane one. Oh, this one's cute. I like this one a lot. If I can get the leaf to turn around here. That one. If I can stop shaking, that would be great. It's a leaf and it's really pretty. I definitely wear that one. And that was that for that bag. All right, what's next? What's next? Ooh, it's a turtle. Oh, he's cute. Look at that little turtle. Or actually, it's a tortoise, but turtle. That that's a little cute little guy. I'll put him on a little shelf somewhere. All right, what's this? Oh, it's not jewelry, but that's pretty cute. Little wood hanging thing, and just hang that somewhere. Probably would go in the living room. That'd be cute. Little decor. All right. Now we got some things wrapped in bubble wrap here. If I can get it out, that's great. Oh, we got more loose items in here too. We got more stray runaway keys. More, more keys. That's okay. Oh yeah. More keys. That's probably not it for the runaways. There's probably more in there. Can't get to them at the moment. This? I don't know what this is. Hard to say. But oh my. Okay. I see. I see. I see what these. It is a typewriter. Wow. That is a nice little decor piece, that's for sure. Where to set it at the moment? It's probably gonna go on a shelf in the living room somewhere. I don't know what this one is. It also seems like a centerpiece. This is from the Enchanted Forest one. Oh, it's a jar. It's a little mushroom jar. That is so cute. They'd be going in the kitchen. I have ideas now. More ideas than what I already have. All right. What else is in here? We got a little little bone in this little cool little container. That's cool. Just stay in there. Put it in. Put it on a shelf. Here's another key. Another heart key. And another rack. Cool little rack. It's all nice and gray. I like that. Anything else? Oh, there was. It's a blue rack. Anything else? Anything at all? Okay, that was it. That was the box. Or at least two of them. Which, honestly, I really like that one. Most of the stuff I would actually wear, and there was like what one or two that I'm like, nah, I wouldn't wear, which is like totally fine. I'd find people for those, and then the rest of it definitely would wear. But I'd totally buy from them again because that was pretty good. I'd probably do the enchanted one again and get another mystery thing. Yeah, but that's in the future though. No, I'm not doing that now. But that was it for the unboxing today. Um, if you liked today's video, please like the video, comment, and subscribe. That would be surely appreciated. Thank you, everyone, so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.